Alright, welcome back. In this video, we're going to talk about American attitudes about government and politics. Let's do it. Alright, so really the place for us to begin this discussion is political ideology. This is the idea that people have a certain consistent values and beliefs about politics, the scope of government, what exactly should government be involved in, what should be its main purpose, what should it focus on, and what shouldn't it be involved in? How much freedom should people have in other ways of their life apart from government? Well, we have three main answers to this question of ideology in the United States. Now, there are definitely more than three ideologies, but the ones the AP Gov exam is going to focus on are going to be liberal, libertarian, and conservative ideologies. So let's talk about each one of those. So let's just go in alphabetical order. So conservatives. The idea here basically is that conservatives typically favor traditional values. They favor things like rule of law, strong crime and punishment, things like that, strong military. These are typically parts of the conservative ideology. Liberals, on the other hand, typically favor more freedom for the individual and a lot of personal decisions, but more government involvement in economic areas. So welfare programs, things that are designed to help the poor or help those in need are typically favored by liberals. And libertarians typically like as much freedom as possible. So they want the least amount of government involvement in their lives, both in social areas as well as in economic areas. So now that we have that as background, the basics of what it means to be conservative, liberal, or libertarian, we now want to consider, well, how does that affect how these different people and groups of these different ideologies will interpret the core values of the United States, so American core values. When I say that term of core values, another way to phrase that would be talk about American political culture. These are ideals and values that are pretty much shared across the United States, usually without regard to ideology. So things that most Americans happen to agree on. So when we say political culture, we're thinking about things like individualism, equal opportunity, rule of law, limited government, and having some kind of a free enterprise market system. So we want to talk about each one of these briefly, and again, keep in mind that depending on whether a person is conservative, liberal, or libertarian will absolutely influence the way that they interpret these, as well as which ones they think are more or less important. Alright, so individualism is the idea that people are responsible for themselves, that they should take personal responsibility, and that whether they succeed or not is largely due to their own efforts. This would be something that I think conservatives and libertarians would probably have more of an importance focused on individualism, whereas liberals would often have a more collectivist idea. But again, this is part of our American political culture. Equality of opportunity is something that most Americans believe in. They might disagree, though, about whether or not it actually exists. So whereas a conservative might be more likely to suggest that we do have equal opportunity, again pointing out that that does not guarantee equality of outcome, a liberal might point to more systemic or barriers that might make it difficult for certain people or groups to be able to have that same opportunity as others. Now, a free enterprise system is the idea that people should have the right to pretty much buy and sell what they want, that they should be in charge of their own labor, and that when you're making a decision about what to do with your money, what to do with your time, what to do with your effort, that we should be able to make that decision for ourselves. Most Americans would agree on that portion of free enterprise. Where again there might be some disagreement would be, well, what's the government's role in this? Whereas a libertarian would want virtually no government role besides just protecting property rights, a liberal person would be more likely to want the government to perhaps regulate and to get involved in those markets to make sure that, in their opinion, that things can go smoothly. Rule of law is one that we talked about in the very beginning of this year in AP Gov, I think back in video 1.1. Rule of law is the idea that everybody is subject to the law. There is no person above the law. And similarly, limited government, again, one that we've talked about already, it's the idea that the government doesn't have total power, that it is limited, it can only do certain things, typically what the Constitution gives it, that limits the power of government. And again, that's another idea that most Americans want a limited form of government rather than one that can be more powerful. Alright, stick with me throughout Unit 4. Until next time, this has been a La Money production. Hey, thanks again for watching this video, guys. If it helped, do me a favor, hit that like button for me. If you haven't subscribed already, what are you doing? Subscribe to my channel. This helps me to spread these videos to other AP Gov students just like you and helps them to succeed as well. So help me out. I really appreciate it. See you guys next time.